So, good day everyone. My name is Shrina Recta from BSIT 2A. And for today's video, I will discuss to you is all about set theory. So, what is set? The collection of well-defined distinct objects is known as a set. The word well-defined refers to a specific property which make it easy to identify whether the given objects belongs to the set or not. The word distinct means that the object of a set must be all different. So for example, the collection of employee in agriculture department and the collection of children in sectionara. So now let's proceed to the notation of a set. So, the different objects that form a set are called the elements of a set. Ibig sabihin na ang bumubuo sa ating set ay tinatawag na elements of a set. So, number 2, the elements of a set are written in any order and are not repeated. Ibig sabihin, hindi kinakailangan na nakasulat siya in order. Ang mahalaga dito, hindi siya nare-repeat or nauulit. So number 3, elements are denoted by small letters and a set is usually denoted by capital letters and elements are denoted by small letters. So now, let's proceed to the elements of a set. So the object used to form a set are called its element or its member. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina na ang bumubuo sa ating set ay tinatawag nating elements or its members. So the elements of a set are written inside a pair of curly braces. Ayan, kinakailangan na ang ating members or the elements of a set ay nakasulat or nakaritten inside the curly braces. So, it's represented by commas and the name of the set is always in capital letters. So, ayan, for example, Z, which is the name of our set, is equals to A, E, I, O, U. Kung mapapansin nyo, siya ay sa loob ng isang curly braces and it's represented by commas. Ayan. So, here Z is the name of the set whose elements member are A, E, I, O, U. Meron akong hinanda ditong mga questions na ating sasagutan upang lubos nating maintindihan ang ating set theory. So, solve examples to find the elements or member of a set. State whether the following statement are true or false. So, ito yung ating given. If a set D is equals to 10, 9, 8, 2, 4, and 6. Question 1. 5 is an element of D. Number 2. 10 is not element of D. Number 3. 9, 4, 3 is element of D. Number 4 is 4, 6, 8 is an element of D. And number 5 is 2 is not element of set D. So, sa number 1 is false, since the element 5 does not belong to the given set D. Number 2 is also false, since the element 10 belongs to the given set D. Number 3 is also false, since the element 3 does not belong to the given set D. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating 9 and 4 ay element siya ng set D, while yung number 3 is not element of D. That's why it is false. So, number 4 is true, since element 4, 6, and 8 belongs to the given set D. And last, number 5 is false, since element 2 belongs to the given set D. So now, let's proceed to the properties of a set. So, number 1, the change in order of writing the elements does not making any change in the set. Ayan, gaya ng sabi kanina, hindi mahalaga ang arrangement ng elements ng set. It's not make any changes in the set. So, ayan, for example, set n is equals to 5, 4, 2, 1, 3 is same as set n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nabago yung arrangement niya, pero hindi nabago ang ating set. Another example is set M is equals to A, B, C, D, E is same as set M is equals to E, C, D, A, B. So now, the second properties of set is if one or many elements of a set are repeated, the set remains the same. So ayan, kapag na-repeat ang ating elements of a set, the set remains the same. So for example, set A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mapapansin nyo na ang element number 2 and element 5 is na-repeat, pero hindi na siya counted sa ating set. So, ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let's proceed to the representation of set. There are three methods commonly used, which are the statement form method, roster or tabular form, and rule or set builder form method. So, what is statement form method? In this, well-defined description of all elements of the set is given and the same are enclosed in curly brackets. So, yung ating elements daw is naka-enclose sa ating curly bracket. So, for example, a set of basketball player in section Bonifacio is written as curly brackets, then basketball player in section Bonifacio, close curly brackets. So another example, a set of makeup artists in Santa Cruz is written as like this, curly brackets, makeup artists in the Santa Cruz. So another example again, a set of numbers greater than 10 and smaller than 20. So, naka-enclose pa rin siya sa ating curly brackets. Then, number greater than 10 and smaller than 20. So, another method that commonly used is the roster or tabular form. In these, elements of the set are listed within the pair of brackets and are separated by commas. Ayan, ginagamitan pa rin siya ng curly brackets and separated by commas. So, for example, let Z denote the set of numbers from 1 to 10. Therefore, element Z is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the roster form. Ayan, mapapansin nyo na sa loob siya ng ating curly brackets and separated by commas. So, another example, let L denote the set of all letters in the word Christmas. So, therefore, L is equals to CHRISTMA, where L is the name of our set and CHRISTMA is the elements of the set. So, reminder lang na the elements of set can be written in any order but element must not be repeated. Kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa ang S sa ating word na Christmas, pero sa ating set, hindi na siya na-repeat. So, ayan. So, the last method that commonly used is the rule or set builder form method. So, in this form of representation of a set, the element of the set is described by using a symbol X or any other variable followed by a colon. The symbol like this or colon or like this is used to denote such that, and then we write the property possessed by the elements of the set and the enclose the whole description in braces. In this, the colon stands for such that and braces stands for set of. Also, ayan, naka-enclose pa rin siya sa curly braces. And ginagamitan siya ng symbol na colon or like this para to denote such that, and the braces stands for set of all. So, for example, let S is a set of even natural number less than 15. So, the set S in set builder form is written as element S is equals to curly brackets X, then colon, X is an even natural number less than 15, then close curly brackets. So, this will be read as S is the set of elements X such that X is an even natural number less than 15. So now let's proceed to the different types of set. So actually there are 12 different types of set, which are the empty or null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, equal set, disjoint set, subset, superset, proper subset, power set, and universal set. So the first type of set is empty or null set. A set which does not contain any elements is called an empty set, or the null set or the void set, and it is denoted by P. This sign is called as P. In rooster form, P is denoted by curly brackets. An empty set is a finite set, since the number of elements in an empty set is finite. So, ayan. Yung empty or null set ay tinatawag din na void set, which denoted by P. So, for example, a set of triangle with 4 sides. So, bakit tinawag na empty set or null set itong example na the set of triangle with 4 sides? It is because clearly there is no triangle that has 4 sides. Therefore, it is an empty set. Another example, the set of odd numbers divisible by 2. So the odd numbers is basically integer numbers that cannot be categorized into groups of 2 each. Therefore, it is an empty set. So the next one is the singleton set, a set which contain only one element. Sa set natin, nagko-contain lang siya ng one elements. So ayan. For example, set of all the days in the week that starts with letter M. Bakit tinawag na singleton set itong example na ito? Because Monday is only day in the week that starts with letter M. Therefore, this is a singleton. Ano bang meron, ilan bang days meron tayo sa isang linggo? 7. Pero isa lang na araw ang merong day na nagsa-start with letter M, which is Monday. And now, let's proceed to the finite set. A set which contain a definite numbers of elements. Empty set is also a finite set. In other words, a finite set is a set which you could in principle count and finish counting. Ayan, sa finite set, ang elements niya is kaya nating bilangin. So, for example, A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. It is a finite set with 4 elements. Ayan, set P is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Set P is a finite set and the number of elements in set P is equals to 6. Another example is set Q is equals to natural number less than 25 and set R is equals to whole numbers between 5 and 45. Next one is infinite set. The set whose elements cannot be listed. That is a set containing never-ending elements is called an infinite set. Ito sa infinite set, yung mga elements na mahirap bilangin or never-ending elements. Ayan. So for example, a set of all natural numbers then was written as set n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. And another example is set of all whole number. Set W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the next one is the equivalent set. Two set A and B are said to be equivalent if their cardinal numbers is same. So that the number of elements in set A is equals to the number of elements in set B. So the symbol for denoting an equivalent set is like this, left, right, arrow. So for example, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B is equals to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So bakit nasabi na itong example na ito is equivalent set because they have the same cardinal numbers. So here, the number of elements in set A is equals to 4 and the number of elements in set B is equals to 4. Therefore, A is equivalent set of B. So another example is element C is equals to January, February, March, and set D is equals to April, May, June. Again, they have the same cardinal number, which is 3. Therefore, C is equivalent set of D. So another type of set is the equal set. So, ano nga ba equal set? Equal sets have the exact same elements in them, even though they could be out of order. Equal sets are defined as the set that have the same cardinality and all equal elements. In other words, two or more sets are said to be equal sets if they have the same elements and the same numbers of elements. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they contain the same elements. Every element of A is an element of B and every element of B is an element of A. So, ibig sabihin, kapag meron tayong dalawa or higit pang set na magkatulad ang elements at same din ang numbers of elements nila, masasabi natin itong equal set. So, these are the example. So, set A is equals to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B is equals to 8, 6, 4, 2, 1. Mapapansin nyo na magkatulad ang kanilang elements pero magkaiba ang arrangement nito or yung order nila. Pero same sila ng number of elements. So, masasabi natin na itong example na ito ay isang equal set. So, set A and B have the exact same elements. Therefore, A is equals set of B. So, another one is disjoint set. Two sets are said to be disjoint set if they have no elements in common. So, masasabi natin na disjoint set ang dalawang set kapag wala ni isang element na magkatulad. So, for example, set E is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set F is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. Clearly, set E and F do not have element in common and are disjoint set. So, masasabing disjoint ito kasi ni isang element sa dalawang set is walang magkatulad. So, another example is let G is equals to A, E, I, O, U and set H is equals to B, C, D, F, G. Set G and set H are disjoint set. So, another type of set is the subset. A and B are two sets and every element of set A is also an element of set B, then A is called a subset of B and we write it as A subset of B or B superset of A. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang element ng ating set A is element din ng ating set B, then masasabi natin na A is a subset of B. So, for example, set A is equals to 10, 9, 8, 7. B is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, here set A is a subset of B. Ayan. Since all the elements of set A are contained in set B. So, ayan, mapapansin natin na lahat ng set A ay nasa set B. So, but B is not the subset of A since all the elements of set B are not contained in set A. So, ayan, mapapansin natin na may isang elements na hindi kasama sa set A. So, masasabi natin na yung B is not the subset of set A. So, the next one is the superset. Whenever a set A is a subset of B, we say that B is a superset of A and we write B superset of A. Ibig sabihin na kapag ang ating set A is subset na ng B, then may isang elements na hindi na-contain ng set A sa meron ang B, masasabi natin na B superset of A. So, ayan, this symbol is used to denote is a superset of. So, ayan, for example, set A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. And set B is equals to A, B, C, up to Z. Here, A is a subset of B kasi na-contain ng ating set B ang elements ng set A. So, A is a subset of B, but B is a superset of A. Since hindi na-contain or wala sa set A lahat ng elements, meron ang B. So, B is a superset of A. So the next one is the proper subset. Proper subset of a set A is a subset of A that is not equal to A. In other words, if B is a proper subset of A, then all elements of B are in A, but A contains at least one element that is not in B. Sa madaling salita, magkaiba yung cardinal number nila kasi may isang element sa isang set na hindi nako-contain ng isa pang set. So for example, if set A has elements as 12 and 24, and set B has elements as 12, 24, 36, then set A is the proper subset of B because 36 is not present in the set A. So, ayan, masasabi na proper subset of A ang B kasi hindi na-contain or wala sa set A itong isang element which is the 36. So, another example is set A is equals to TRINA and set B is equals to TRINAS. Mapapansin natin na magkaiba yung cardinal number nito pero magkatulad ang elements niya. Ngunit may isang hindi nakasama sa isa pang set. So, here the number of elements in set A is equals to 5 and the number of elements in B is equals to 6. So, all the elements of A are present in B but the elements S of B is not present in A. Therefore, A is a proper subset of B. Ayan, lahat daw ng elements meron ang set A ay nasa set B. Pero, mayroong isa or iba pa na elements ang B na wala sa set A. Kaya tinawag natin na A is a proper subset of B. So, the next one is the power set. The collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by power set of set A. In power set of set A, every element is a set. Basically, this is a set is the combination of all subsets including null sets of A given sets. These are the example. If A is equals to P and Q, then all the subset of A will be like this. Power set of set A is equals to P sign or null, then P, Q, and PQ. So the last type of set is the universal set. A set which contains all the elements of other given set is called a universal set. The symbol for denoting a universal set is like this, mukhang U or parang A. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng elements ng set ay pinagsama-sama or pinagsambog-sambog para matawag siyang, kaya tinawag siyang universal set. So, ito yung example. If A is equals to 10, 11, 12, set B is equals to 13, 14, 15, and set C is equals to 15, 16, 17. So, then, universal set is equals to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ayan, pinagsama-sama elements ng tatlong set. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, dalawa ang 15, pero gaya ng sa notation of set, hindi kinakailangan maulit ang elements ng ating set. So, Let's proceed to the operation on set. So, what is operation on set? When two or more sets combine together to form one set under the given conditions, then operation on set are carried out. So, ibig sabihin kapag ang dalawa o higit pang mga set ay pinagsama-sama upang makabuo ng isang set sa ilalim ng mga binigay na conditions, then nakakagawa tayo or naisasagawa ang operation on sets. So now, let's proceed to the four basic operation on set. So, these are the union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of the sets, and the Cartesian product of set. So, what is union of sets? Union of two given set is the smallest set which contain all the elements of both the set. To find the union of two given sets, A and B is a set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B such that no element is repeated. The symbol for denoting union of set is like this. It's look like Q. So, ibig sabihin ng ating union of set ay naglalaman ng lahat ng elements ng ating parehong sets. So, ayan. This is the union of set Venn diagram. And union of two sets example. Let A is equals to A, B, G, J, K, and B is equals to H, T, K, G. So, A union of B is equals to A, B, G, J, K, H, T. Mapapansin natin na pinagsama natin ang lahat ng elements ng ating sets. So, mapapansin din natin na mayroong magkaparehong elements sa ating set, pero hindi natin siya ni-repeat sa ating union of set. So, no element is repeated in the union of two sets. The common elements here are K and G, which taken only once. And now, this is the example of union set in Venn diagram. Ito yung given natin. Let's set A is equals to A, B, G, J, K, and set B is equals to H, T, K, G, which is A union of B is equals to A, B, G, J, K, H, T. Ito yung ating Venn diagram, A and B, kung saan nandito sa gitna ng bilog ang magkaparehong elements nila, and the rest nasa kanila na siyang set. So, the next one is the intersection of set. So, intersection of two given set is the largest set which contains all the elements that are common to both sets. To find the intersection of two given sets, A and B is a set which consists of all the elements which are common to both A and B. The symbols for denoting intersection of set is like this. So, dito sa intersection of set, ang hahanapin natin is yung parehong elements meron ang dalawang sets natin. So, here are the intersection of set Venn diagram. Then, intersection of two sets example. Given natin, let set C is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and set D is equals to 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. C intersection D is equals to 6, 8, 10. Ayan, hanap natin yung magkaparehong elements meron sa set C natin at sa set D. So, ito yung 6, 8, and 10. Therefore, 6, 8 and 10 are the common elements in both sets. So, here are the example of intersection set in Venn diagram, which is ito yung given natin kanina, and this is the intersection, 6, 8, and 10. Paano natin nilagay siya sa Venn diagram? Ganito, naka-highlight yung gitna natin, which is yung paglalagyan natin ng kanilang intersection, which are the 6, 8, and 10, and the rest, ilagay natin siya sa pareho sa magkaibang sides nila. So, natira sa set C is yung number 2 and 4 at sa D naman is yung 3 and 9. So, now let's proceed to the difference of two sets. So, paano natin mahahanap ang difference ng dalawang sets? So, if A and B are two sets, then their difference is given by A minus B or B minus A. A minus B means elements of set A which are not the elements of set B. So, ang kukunin natin dito or ang hahanapin natin ay yung elements ng set A na wala sa elements ng set B. Ganun din kapag nauna yung B minus A. So, here are the Venn diagram of difference of set. And difference of two sets example. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, and set B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. A minus B is equals to 1. Dahil merong elements na 1 ang set A, pero wala ang set B. So, A minus B is equals to 1. Therefore, the element 1 belongs to A, but not to B. So, here the example of difference of two sets in Venn diagram. So, this is our given, and A minus B is equals to 1. Then, dito natin siya ilalagay. Naka-highlight yung kulay niya sa ating set A. Then, yung same elements nila sa gitna, and yung elements na natira sa set B. Let's proceed to the last operation on set, which is the Cartesian product of sets. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product A times B is the set of all ordered pair of elements from A and B. The Cartesian product of set A and B is defined as a set of all ordered pairs X and Y such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So, kung ang ating A and B na set ay dalawang non-empty set, ang kanilang Cartesian product na A times B ay isang set ng lahat ng nakaayos na pares ng mga elemento mula sa A at B. Ang Cartesian product ng set A at B ay tinutukoy bilang set ng lahat ng ordered pairs X and Y na ang X ay kabilang sa set A and Y kabilang sa set B. So, for example, if A is equals to 1 and 2 and set B is equals to 3, 4, 5, then the Cartesian product of A and B is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, pinag-pair lang ang bawat isang element sa isang set. So, ayan, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So, ayun, dun nagtatapos ang ating discussion for today. And thank you for listening and God bless us all.